In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Microsoft Forms survey with our full guide for 2025. Whether you're a teacher cleaning up your old quizzes, a business professional managing numerous feedback forms, or an administrator keeping your workspace organized, this guide will make the process simple and straightforward. First, let's head over to the Microsoft Forms website. You can do this by typing forms.office.com into your web browser. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your Microsoft account. This can be a work, school, or personal account depending on how you've been accessing your forms. After logging in, you'll see a list of all the forms associated with your account. Browse through this list to find the survey you want to delete. Now that you've located your survey, let's go ahead and delete it. Simply hover over the survey you wish to remove. You're looking for the More Options menu, which is indicated by 3 dots, commonly referred to as the ellipses menu in the top right corner of the survey box. Click on these 3 dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Delete. You'll be prompted to confirm that you really want to delete the survey as this action is permanent. Once you confirm, the survey along with all the responses it has collected will be permanently erased. If you've got multiple forms to clear out, there's an update for 2025 that makes this process even easier. You can now delete surveys in bulk. To do this, navigate to your All Forms dashboard. Here, you'll see checkboxes appear next to each survey. Select the ones you want to delete. Once you've chosen all the surveys for elimination, you'll find an option to delete them all at once at the top bar of the screen. This is especially beneficial for users who handle a large number of forms, such as teachers, business managers, or admins. Next, let's discuss deleting forms from group or shared workspaces. If your survey belongs to a team, group, or shared workspace, you'll need to go to the Group Forms section found in the sidebar. Identify the survey you need to delete, and once you've found it, you can proceed to delete it just as you would a personal survey. Remember, when you delete a form from a shared workspace, it will be removed for all collaborators. However, do keep in mind that only owners or administrators have the authority to delete shared forms. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to deleting Microsoft Forms surveys in 2025. This process should help keep your workspace tidy and help you manage your forms more effectively. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.